The success in your network marketing business relies on you being able to answer exactly what your business is. The first part and the hardest part is actually getting somebody to listen to you to want to explain it in the first place, right? So there's always two components. You want to be able to answer questions, but you got to get people to listen to you in the first place. Remember, I'm really big on three things that you really need to be a good network marketer or business owner, salesperson, anything, and that's influence, confidence, and charisma. That's it. Any politician, any salesperson who's good at what they do, they're charismatic. They've just got a personality that you want to be around. But there's a difference between being charismatic and a shyster, right? So to be charismatic, you also have to have confidence. That confidence bleeds through from being educated. It's not that smarmy. When you're confident, you know your craft, and you're not arrogant about it. You're just really confident about it. And then being personable, that integrity aspect, that authenticity, if you will, that's going to come through. And this is so important when it comes down to getting people to listen to you, right? So you have to be influential, you have to be charismatic, and you have to be confident. That's what's going to get people to listen to you. When you get to the point of having people listen to you, what are they listening to you for? You have to answer these questions, right? Who, what, where, when, why, and how. And how you answer those questions is going to equal whether or not you make money in the industry. Think about it. Write down on a piece of paper. Keep this really short. Who, what, where, when, why, and how is my business? It's not when well, what do you do for a living? Well, I'm in a network marketing company and we have a product that... The who is always going to be you. Remember, it doesn't matter if you've got the greatest skincare on the planet or if you've got the greatest, vacation packages. People are always going to join your business for one reason. That's you. It's you. You're the business. So the foundation of whatever company you're in, that's the vehicle you're using to wind up driving and making that money. But it's always going to be you. You're the business. The what? You explain it. Well, in my business specifically, what is it? Well, I'm Dominic Izzo. I'm a network marketing professional. I teach people how to use their social media to create revenue. It's just a passion of mine. Well, what? Well, what is the delivery? I deliver value to you. I deliver value in 3 C's. I talk to you about cash flow, the machine behind the business that we wind up, using to make our money. I talk to you about commerce. We have a product line that has to be, exchanged for money in order to wind up making that money. And then, the culture, the community, the personal development aspect of it. So who is me? What I'm delivering? I'm presenting and I'm pitching value. Because when value is clear, decisions are easy. And you just go down the list, right? Where? Well, we're located in the Illinois area, in the United States area, in a global area. Where are you located? Where do you do your business at? That could be answered in many different ways, but again, it's not bullshitting, it's confident. Where? Well, I operate out of my home. My business is operated on my home. Yours can too. You find the dynamic answers to these questions, and the more you're able to answer these questions, the more you study them, the more you know them, the more confident you're going to be in your business. When? We operate 24/7. Our job is to wind up teaching people how to make money in their sleep, right? I'm just giving you another example, right? And then why? Why? Because I'm fucking passionate about it. Because I know that people are having a hard time making money. I know that people have a hard time talking to people. I know that people lack social skills. I know people lack leadership skills. I know people lack alpha men and women skills. It's my passion is to teach this. My passion is to create a legion, an army, a network of people out there who are passionate about paying it forward, doing the same thing and teaching others. And then how? How? That's presenting value. That's the skill set, right? That's the 3 things that are needed to be done in network marketing is you have to be able to leverage your social media, right? You have to attract people, market it properly, market your network. You have to be able to present. How do you pitch? How do you wind up talking to people? How do you present material? And then duplicating that in the process of teaching. So those 3 things, right? Networking, using your social media, presenting to your network, and then duplicating that, repeating that process with other people. How you do that? That's a process that your upline should be teaching you. If they're not, 708-982-0974. Text me the word money to 708-982-0974. But when it comes down to this business, really ask yourself the questions. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. That's your money. That's how you're making your money in your business, by being able to articulate those points. And the more that you know the answers to who, what, where, when, why, and how, everything is synergistic. When you call people to invite, What do you want? Where are we going? What are you doing? Wow, what you're going to have those answers to the people that are on the other end of the phone for you that are just, they're naysayers off the bat. When you get the people who come to your presentations and ask, how is this not a pyramid scam? Who, what, where, when, why, and how? You'll have the answers for them. When you have your people who come in, I'm not making any money. Who, what, where, when, why, and how? Are you going over it with them? Answering those questions, who, what, where, when, why, and how, are the money in your entire system. Okay, keep that in mind. I hope these videos help. Again, we're working with everybody who wants to be successful in this industry. We're building leaders. Text money to 708-982-0974. Hope this video helped. I'll see you guys in the next one.